Nice. Oh, hello. It's me. It's been a while again. I apologize. Life is busy. My body is broken and sore. I got back from my trip to Alberta. It was a good time. And I meant to do an episode sooner than this, but here we are. My cat missed me. My other cat is right there, being all jealous. Today we're going to play a game that I've never played before. I think it would be fun. It's based on a movie, so maybe it's shit. Movie tie-in games are pretty crap mostly. But I heard this one is an RPG. That could go in its favor, or it could go against it. Strap in, get your best friend Burgle Cut, and let's try Willow for the Nintendo Entertainment System. Oh, now it's sad. That's how you get free chicken. Alright, it's willowing time. Whoa, shit. Okay, tragedy struck. That game was actually a lot of fun. I was enjoying it. Remember when V, we'll call him V, Volgar? No, Volgar the Viking is a different thing. Voltar? Either way, the guy that gave you the sword. He said, you'll get better at the sword after just a few fights. It was true. But then after level 2, it was like, ah! So it was awesome. Unfortunately, my memory card, after I just went to a wedding, I think I specified, my nephew got married. Congratulations, Jonathan and Grace. Whoop, whoop. After the wedding, my memory card was full and I ran out of space. So I did play a lot longer than I think I recorded. But I hope you enjoyed what I did record. I think I'm gonna get my friend Steve out. We're gonna do some drinking and maybe game genieing some health. And we're gonna not be you stupid idiot wILLOW. And we're gonna be the champs. Fucking Bab Morda. Am I right?